Hello everyone, I am Nivan Agarwal studying in 3rd F, roll number 29 and I have made poster on International Mother Earth Day. Every year Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. It is celebrated worldwide to support environmental protection. The first Earth Day was celebrated in 1970 in USA. As the world is going through tough times, let's pledge together to save this earth and spend time with nature, and we'll explore something new each time. Your one small step can bring a big difference, so protect your Mother Earth by planting more and more trees. We all have one thing common and we share that with all, and that is our Mother Earth. Like a lover needs love, in the same way, our soul needs a beautiful nature. Clean and green is our perfect dream. Say what? Thank you.
Good afternoon, my dear friends, teachers and principal. My name is Anushka Saha. I am from grade 3A. I have made this poster for Mother Earth Day. We live on a planet called Earth. It is full of sources of supplies that we need to stay alive. Example, trees, water, air, sunlight and oxygen, etc. The planets other than Earth have no air, water, sunlight, oxygen, animals, etc. The Earth has warm sunlight and mild winds. The planets other than Earth are either too hot or freezing cold. We should now join hands and work towards protecting our Mother Earth. We should plant more and more trees, keep the air fresh as possible, not throw waste in water bodies, and remember to keep the Mother Earth clean too. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. Myself Alanis Mendonça from 3A is going to celebrate Mother Earth Day by adding green to my space. It is a day for people to think about how to take better care of Earth. Planting a sapling is a good way to celebrate Earth Day. So, I am going to plant a sapling to add green to my space. Materials required to plant a sapling: an empty pot, some mud, manure, a sapling and water. First I take an empty pot. Then I fill some mud in it. I put some manure. I dig a hole and plant the sapling. Then I put some more mud on it to make it firm. I water the plant and keep it at the window to get some sunlight. We should plant more and more trees to protect our Mother Earth. Thank you. Taylor Josiana. I am from English High School and I am studying in grade 3rd B. I have made a poster on International Mother Earth Day. You can follow these rules. The rules are: please save trees, please save water, oceans, and plant more and more trees. Do not do pollution, save animals, and if we will follow these rules, our full earth will be saved and happy. So friends, save earth, save future. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Bhavya Sabu. On this International Mother Earth Day, I will tell you the importance of planting a tree in our life. Plant gives us fresh air and oxygen to breathe, and fruits and veggies to eat. Some plants are used for medicinal purposes. Today I am going to plant a tulsi plant. It is a medicinal plant and worshipped by Hindus. So friends, planting a tree is easy. Watch this out. So friends, apart from tulsi, I have planted some more plants. So friends, planting a tree is not enough. We also have to take proper care of it by giving them sufficient water and sunlight. So friends, let's take a pledge. Whenever and wherever possible, we will try to plant trees. Thank you.
My name is Tuti Panchal from Standard 3rd B. I am a seed who grew into a plant and grew into a beautiful flower. So friends, this Earth Day, let's make a pledge to plant more and more trees and make our Mother Earth more green and beautiful. This will help to get more fresh and clean air. It will make our planet Earth more livable and give us more water. Happy Earth Day and thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Gitika Tony Raj from 3rd B. Today I am going to speak about the topic Save Earth. We live on a planet that gives us everything required for leading a good life. We celebrate Earth Day every year on 22nd April. Here I am going to tell you how we can save Earth. The first one is conserve water. Plant more trees and say no to deforestation. Recycle. Try composting. Save electricity. Ride a cycle and stop pollution. Care for animals and birds. Pick up trash. Thank you.
Hello, myself Behinder from 3rd C in Tanzania. Today I am going to grow a plant. On International Mother Earth Day, which is celebrated every year on 22nd April, I have chosen the activity of growing a plant. So let us begin. I have added some mud on the pot. Now I will add green gram dal in it. And cover it with mud. We must take good care of Earth. As Earth protectors, we must protect it too. It is our collective responsibility to preserve the Earth in which we all live. Reversing deforestation is complicated, but planting a seed is simple. Plant a tree and add a new friend in your life. Thank you. Plants need air, water and sunlight to grow. It's my 3rd day and the seed has grown into a small plant. Thank you.
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Ora Lobo from 3rd C Anandanya High School. On the occasion of International Mother Earth Day, I made a poster Save Tree, Save Earth. For this, we need a scale, pencil, crayons, sketch pen, rubber and sketch pen. First, you have to make a border. Now, I'll So, here I have finished my drawing. Now, I hope you like. Just look it. Good afternoon, teacher and my friends. We must make care of our earth. Pollution it's there we life. So save Mother Earth, save life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Om Bhalla from 3rd C. I have made a poster for World Earth Day celebrated on 22nd of April. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has life on it. We all are human beings staying on the planet Earth. Earth and its resources made our life possible for us. She gives us everything. So it's our responsibility to take care of our planet Earth. Learn these 3 ways: reuse, recycle and reduce. Use LED lights. Clean the environment. Educate people about conserving nature. Plant more and more trees and do not cut the trees. Instead of cutting the trees, every person should plant more trees to reduce the large scale of the deforestation, and the air will be cleaned. Air will be improved. It will be good for our environment. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.
Friends, today on Mother Earth Day, I, Upadri teacher Kuru, am going to plant a sapling and will resolve to make a planet green and beautiful. This is my sapling. This is my plant. I need some soil or earth for my sapling to plant. We will first place the sapling in the planter, then cover the roots with soil. Up to the base of the plant. Now I will sprinkle some water stir around the sapling. My sapling is planted and now I need to keep watering it regularly for it to grow into a big plant. There friends, I can't wait to see my sapling grow into a big plant. Thank you.